The hare boasted about his speed, mocking the slow tortoise in front of all the animals. Tired of the insults, the tortoise calmly challenged the hare to a long race today. The hare laughed loudly, accepting the challenge with a grin, certain of his easy victory. The race began, and the hare dashed ahead, quickly disappearing into the distant green meadow. Confident he was far ahead, the hare decided to take a nap under a tree. He closed his eyes, dreaming of his win, while the tortoise kept moving forward slowly. Step by step, the steady tortoise passed the sleeping hare without making a single sound. The sun began to set, and the hare finally woke up with a sudden start. He sprinted toward the finish line, his heart racing as he saw the crowd cheering. To his shock, the tortoise was already crossing the line, having never stopped his walk. The hare hung his head in shame, realizing his arrogance had cost him the race. Slow and steady wins the race, the tortoise proved as he celebrated his humble victory.